Hi guys, and thanks for watching. This is Stephen with iFound Agent again, reaching out to you and wanted to cover some specific settings that you can get into under the iFound settings under search results. So search results are what control all the search results you see on your website. So if you have ever gone to your site and pulled up any sort of search, actually let me just click on like a Phoenix area here so you can see. The search results section is this area of the settings is controlling how this displays. So some of this is actually controlled on our servers because we want to make sure that your site is compliant, and some of it is controlled right here within your grasp. So this setting area is really kind of catered to developers or designers, and this is what kind of gives us the tools and the framework to really customize. If you wanted your search results to look completely different from anybody else's, the sky's the limit. We can really get in there and do some amazing stuff. So again, if you're looking at this video and you know that you're just kind of getting started, probably this video is not going to be for 99% of our clientele, but if you ever have a developer or you want to reach out to us for some customization, we'll be using this area. Grid layout is a very simple one. If I choose this option, then I'm going to get your properties are going to show up in a grid layout where you can see like 3 per row. And so if I turned off grid layout, I'm going to just actually show you what that does. I'm going to just turn that off and hit save. So if I just refresh now my properties don't show up in a grid, they show up all in a horizontal and one listing per row. So if you can see the difference, that's the difference between grid and not grid. So I'm going to turn that back on. Grid is a little more modern, so we'd like to enable that by default. Chances are you have that enabled on your site. There are some sites that we don't enable it because it just doesn't work with the theme, or maybe it looks better on a horizontal basis. Custom result class, again, this is for styling, CSS and styling on a website. So if you want to add a special class here and work with the design of it, this is again a developer thing, you can do it. And then we also have an area, we have some methodology for templates that I'm not going to get into, but you can create special templates and tell it which template you'd like to use. So you can use different templates, different areas. And then the results, this is the HTML structure that's building the search results here. So you can, again, this is not for the faint of heart here, this is for developers, but you can kind of see how things are being built. And I'm not going to get into that further, but so chances are you don't want to be messing with this area, but if you are a developer or designer, this is, you're going to be in heaven here. So, all right, I'm just going to leave it at that, but thank you for watching.